This is not even a competition right now. Holy shit. Dude, this is like day and night difference. Oh my god, this is crazy. So we have two images here. One was generated by Nano Banana 2. The other one was generated by Chatgpt 2. Which, can you guess which one is which? Leave it in the comments down below. If you think number one was generated by Nano Banana 2 or number two was generated by Nano Banana 2 and vice versa. And at the very end, I'll review which one did which. A few hours ago, ChatGPT Image 2.0 just came out, and here's what it means for content creators. For much of this year, ChatGPT Image has been in first place, but then came Nano Banana 2, and that really shifted the game. And now ChatGPT Image 2.0 has taken the top of the leaderboard. So today we're gonna do a test between Nano Banana 2 and ChatGPT Image 2.0 to see which of these two are the best. We're gonna have a competition, 5 different areas to see which one of these perform the very best. So look at this. ChatGPT Image 2 Medium Mode is now at 1512. Nano Banana 2 is at 1271, and Nano Banana Pro is at 1244. Pretty much the top model. This is a pretty significant jump. Not gonna lie. Like, holy, by 300? What? Wow. ChatGPT Image is just way better than everything. Look at this. Pretty excited. Imaging and modeling overall, single image edit, multi-image edit, text rendering. Dude, all these images were by ChatGPT 2.0. This is pretty sick. So right here we have image creation just got a major update. It's faster, more creative, and better at getting the details right. So it's a little bit more detail oriented. Okay, transform your photos. Change selfies into headshots, remove backgrounds, and dramatically alter photos. And make comics and graphic. See your life as a comic strip. Make someone a birthday card and create event imitations. Show your ideas visually. Make complex topics easier to understand with infographics and diagrams. That is pretty cool. So this is my old ChatGPT account. I'm on the free plan now. So let's go ahead and close that. And let's create some studio headshot. So we do have a few photos that we can run through. So we have this old image of me. Transform this photo into an elevated fashion studio portrait. Choose a complementing. What the hell? Oh my goodness, bro. What is this? This is hilarious. All right. Now let's try the same thing in Gemini. That's hilarious. Let's see what Nano Banana does. There's no question which one is a lot closer. What the heck is this, man? Oh my goodness. All right, that's test number one. We're gonna use the same image for all of them. Blueprint poster. Oh, interesting. Look at this. Side view, rear view. Wow. Oh wow. Honestly, the Nano Banana one looks kind of better. Textures, candid editorial feel. Oh, what the fuck? This one looks way better. What the heck? Yeah, the realistic is definitely a lot better on this one. Okay, and the last image template is this one. Now, I do know that this does introduce some biases into our image generation because the templates that ChatGPT has versus the templates that Nano Banana has are two different templates, and they are created. What the hell? That's actually kind of funny. This is not really anime, bro. It's kind of cool though. It's like more cartoonish than anime. And so this is what I mean is that like the prompt templates that they include on here is optimized for the respective image generations. So keep that in mind while you're looking through these. So let's look at the ChatGPT one now. Oh shit, that actually looks kind of sick. I'm not gonna lie. All right. Well, I think let's do fixed lighting. Interesting. So look at this one. That looks a lot cleaner than the original image, taking out all the uneven lighting and it adds a little hair light at the very top. That's pretty cool. Whereas ChatGPT, a little bit more natural for sure. Like it definitely took out the harshness on this right side here. So you see the light over on this right side of my face. One, two, three, four. Okay, the thumb is kind of covered anyways. I was about to say we're back in the old days. One, two, three, four. You always gotta count the fingers. You guys remember back in the day, whenever you generated images, especially with fingers in it, it always messes up the fingers. Honestly, this one, it retained all the color. So this, it added in a really, like this top hair light. This didn't, but the hair light was a really good addition. This one, no hair light. but everything is pretty clean. And this one just took it out all the way. They both have their unique styles for sure. Let's get into the real test. How good are these at creating YouTube thumbnails? That's what we want to check. Okay, so I'm gonna use this prompt, generate 5 YouTube thumbnails for a video called Nano Banana 2 versus Chatgpt Image 2.0. Which one should you actually use? Here's the first one, Nano Banana. Pretty simple. Which AI? Your choice. Nano Banana 2, Chatgpt 2.0. Final decision. Not gonna lie, I think we know which one is better. This is not even competition right now. Holy shit. Dude, this is like day and night difference. What the hell? This is just so much better than Nano Banana. Like, I didn't give it. I did this on purpose, by the way. I think we're about to change up our thumbnail workflow. Let's do 2 or 3 more tests, and then we're gonna conclude this test. What I wanted to do now is I want to double click onto this image right here. This is not too bad. Nano Banana 2 versus ChatGPT Image 2.0. Which should you actually use? And nope, this one looks way better though. Let's see. We are going to see how good the image edit is. Move the min. So, I mean, this is actually pretty good. What the heck? Wow. This is really good. Like, the difference is kind of day and night, honestly. Like, this puts in some accent coloring, formats the Nano Banana 2 versus ChatGPT image properly. Nano Banana 2 on here, ChatGPT image it has the logo. This one doesn't have logo. Its text is very plain. I mean, framing is pretty decent, but like this one just has so much more framing composition. This side got messed up, but I mean, like, look at this, bro. If we had specified bottom right at the first place, or we gave it a reference image, this would have been so much better. Creations on ChatGPT. We're just gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I don't know if you guys know this, but like this is actually so insane for thumbnails. What the heck? And watch, in like a week or another 2 weeks, Nano Banana 3 comes out, and it's even better than ChatGPT 2.0. It's a wild time we live in. Bro, bro, that is sick. Dude, what are we even talking about here? Oh my goodness, that is crazy. Oh, sorry, Nano Banana. You have been dethroned. You have been dethroned. I think we have a new image generator king. This is actually the biggest comeback from ChatGPT I've seen in a long while. I thought they were cooked and they were done, but this image generator does give them a lot of hope. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is so wild.